All right, so let's just see if we're live here. 1, 2, 3. All right. Welcome back, everybody. It is Tuesday, September 16th. We're back. Kayla is editing her shorts. Oh, I'm going to put this so you can see the whiteboard. All right. Here we go. Today, it's time to get serious. We're about to do some AI automation beginner stuff. Buckle up. Buckle up. Let me share my screen. How do I get rid of this, actually? All right, cool. All right, let's do this. So today I want to try to do the next step here. So I want to do a few things. I want to create a Zap that eventually goes somewhere and then triggers AI, OpenAI or ChatGPT to do something. So let's read what we're going to do today. We're just going to get down to business here. Step-by-step instructions to add an AI step to a workflow. Begin by logging into Zapier and clicking Create Zap to start a new workflow. Let's do that. Oh, okay, what happened here? All right. 1 second, everybody. Already in our first roadblock. So what are we doing here? Do you have 1 second, everybody. All right, we're back in action here. So first step, let's see how well Gemini instructs us. Begin by logging into Zapier and clicking Create Zap to start a new workflow. Okay, sounds good. Create Zap. Set your trigger by selecting the Gmail app and the event new email. Then connect your account and test it to get a sample email. Okay. Trigger. What? Oh, we have Zaps already. Okay, let's just do a new one. New Zap. Let's title. How do we title this? Zap search untitled Zap rename. Let's call this AIAA test 1. Boom. Okay. I don't know what that is, but okay, start building. All right, trigger. It says selecting Gmail app and the event new, then connect your account. Okay, so let's try that. We're gonna do trigger. Wait a second. Gmail new email. Okay. Gmail trigger event new email. And then I might have to then connect your account to test and get a sample email. Okay, so let me stop sharing my screen here while we're doing this. I'm going to connect our email. Oh, we have one already. Okay. Okay, let's reconnect. It says that it's expired, so I'm going to reconnect it. Okay. Done. Okay, I think. Okay, then now what? Add your first action step by searching for a cell and selecting. Okay. Action step. Okay. Add your first action step by searching for and selecting OpenAI app and the event. 1 second, everybody. Add your first action step by searching for and selecting OpenAI app and the event send prompt to the process the email's content. All right. Let's see. Is OpenAI in this? Did they say OpenAI or did they say ChatGPT? OpenAI. Yeah. Where are you? Boom. All right. Interesting. Within the prompt field, type your instructions for the AI, such as summarize the following email body into one concise sentence. Okay. Select the body variable. Let's try that. Choose action event. Is there like summarize? Summarize text, I guess. Let's see. Within the prompt, type your instructions for the AI, such as summarize the following email. Okay, maybe it already does that. Summarize text legacy. Okay, so let me try signing in now again. Oh, you guys can't see my screen. Okay, that's okay. I want to sign in first so I can show you what we do later. Blah, 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 blah. How do I do this? How do we do this? Okay. I guess we can just use the AI chat. So model. Okay, so let's not do that. I'm gonna share my screen. Configure prompt. Custom prompt. Model. Input fields. Okay. Field. I don't know. Summary or body. Email body. What is this saying? Okay. I'm already lost, everybody. Let's see. Let's see. Analyze and run. Input fields. Let's see. How do I get out of this prompt builder? Let's not use this one. AI beta. Open AI. Sure. Authentication. I don't know what that means. Model. Input fields. What is the input field? Oh. How do I get rid of this? Can we get rid of this? Let's delete it. Really delete, yes. And let's go action. Okay, let's try this popular built-in tools. Custom prompt, yes. Input fields. Field name. Email body. How do we add this? First you need to complete, okay, complete the set. Okay, cool. Confirm your trigger stuff. We will recently. Okay. Cool. I'm gonna actually stop sharing my screen for a second, see how this goes. Okay. Input field. Email body. So I guess it's body. Let's see, try body. Body HTML, body plain. Try body HTML, I guess. Save. Knowledge source. Prompt. Okay, let's try this prompt here. Summarize the following. Okay. Summarize the following email body into one conclusion. One concise sentence. Weak. Okay. Output fields. And then what are we trying to do? Let's see. Add a second action step, choosing an app like Google Sheets or Slack to send the AI's output to its final destination. Configure this final step by selecting AI summarize output from the OpenAI step and mapping it to a field like your cell in a spreadsheet or Slack message. AI summarize output from the OpenAI step and mapping it to the appropriate field. Okay. Okay. Let's see how this goes, I guess. Summary sheet. Text. Save. Does that do anything? What is going on here? I don't, obviously. Let's try. Maybe the other way will be easier. Let's delete this one. We are failing right now. All right, let's try the OpenAI one. OpenAI. ChatGPT. Choose an event. Okay, what's the event that we want to choose here? Send prompt. Add your first action and add the event send prompt. Okay. Send prompt. Okay. Sounds good. And then accounts. So how do we do this? Sign in. Allow Zapier to access your ChatGPT OpenAI account. API key required. Copy and paste. Okay. API key. So I guess we got to find that. Let's look for that thing. I'm going to not show this and see, figure out where our API key is. Settings, API key, personalization, connectors, advanced settings. Okay, let's ask here. Security, data controls, accounts. Let me ask Gemini, where can I find my Open AI API key? To view your usage, check top right corner, profile, view API keys. Okay, well, top right corner. Nope. Where are you? Open platform website and log into your account. In the top right corner, click on your profile icon or name. Select, where is that? Here, icon. Select view API keys. How to see this on a desktop. Come on. Okay, click on the icon, the drop-down menu. Select view. I don't see that. If you select, where is that? Okay, so we're logged into ChatGPT. New chat, library, codex, GPT new project. Click on the icon, upgrade plan, personalization. No. Help, settings. Try settings. I don't see API keys. Connectors. Schedules, data control. I don't see any. Where are you? Links. I don't see. Let me ask GPT. Where can I find my API key? I guess we don't even have one yet. OpenAI platform. Okay, sign an account. Click on remove it. Okay. Create. Okay, I guess. Okay, let's try this. Zap API. Create secret key. Let's try that. Okay, copy that. Put it here. Does that do anything? All right, I'm trying to connect. Let's see. I think it did something. Let's find out. All right. Did we connect? Okay, I think we connected. So let's try that. Okay, prompt. Here we go. Maybe. So now let's go back here. Okay, summarize the following and blah blah blah. Let's try this. Let's try that. Summarize the following email body into okay, temperature. I have no idea what that is. What is going on right now? Well, sure. Continue. And then we're searching. I guess what's the deal here? Let's test that, I guess. Interesting. We are currently failing at this, but we will persevere. All right. This is what entrepreneurship is all about, people. Add a second step. Like, okay, let's add a second step. Let's pretend that's going to go. So let's just move on here. Add a second action step, choosing an app like Google Sheet or Slack. to send AI's output to its final destination. Okay, so let's try that. Let's go Google Sheets. Mm-hmm. So I'm going to reconnect. Let me try this. Stop sharing here. Reconnect this account. And we want to be able to output. Okay, fine. All right, so the action is going to be what? Create sheet property, clear sheet, copy range, change sheet, update Google Sheet properties like frozen rows. Okay, no. We want to what's the output? Google Sheets to send AI's output. So create spreadsheet row at top. Sure, create spreadsheet row at top. Okay, let's continue there. Drive. Sure. Spreadsheet. Let's make a new one, I guess. We'll have to make a new one there. Let's see if we can find a sheet. I'm going to make one actually. You guys are not seeing what's happening, so that's probably not helpful, but we'll get there. Home. We'll call this sheets. Zap test. Okay, so we'll try that. Let's see if it actually finds this. Zap test. 2025, 09, 16. Okay, let's try that. Let's see if it zap. Oh, actually, interesting. That was already there. Let's load, refresh results. Zap test. Let's go. Okay, worksheet. Yeah, sure. Sheet 1. We didn't see any headers. Okay. Continue. Okay. So test. New email. Row ID. Okay. So the only difference, actually, can we move? Okay, let's try this actually, if this works. I'm going to send a test email, which you guys cannot see. I'm going to try this. And then tomorrow, maybe we can fix the ChatGPT part. All right, so let us grab, actually, hold on. All right, if this doesn't work, I will just do this tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in, guys, for this very boring session. Are you posting already?
About to.
Okay. All right. We'll tune in tomorrow. Thanks.